my channel. So today we are going to make some corn dogs, and very easy to make. So we are going to use the corn muffin mix. It's a Jiffy corn muffin mix. Okay, I put a cup of self-rising flour. If you don't have any self-rising flour, use a regular flour, but you need to add some baking soda and baking powder. Okay, so first we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna make some corn dogs for my husband tonight. Okay, here. So this is serving up 1 cup of half cup mix. Okay, we're serving here. Okay guys, so this is 240 grams. This is a 240 grams. Okay, so I'm gonna add all that cornmeal. Then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Then we're gonna do a pinch of salt. Okay, I think I put too much in it, don't I? Okay. Let's mix that. So we mix it really well. Next, we're gonna add our wet ingredients, which is, I'm gonna add just a small eggs, okay? And I have this half cup of water, but I'm going to pour it gradually because I do not want to be loose your cornbread and the flour. So it's important that they will thick, like really thick batter. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit of water. My husband and my youngest grandson love cornbread, not cornbread, corn dogs rather. So we have to mix it this well. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Okay, so this is done. Next we're going to do is we're going to put the stick in our hot dogs. Okay. Just like that. Why we need these sticks? Because we have to dip our hot dog to the glass, which the glass will be full of cornmeal batter. Okay. So we have that one here. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pour this cornmeal to the glass. Okay, so if you have leftover after you're cooking your corn dogs, don't throw it away, the dough or the batter. I will show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so there we go. This is how you do if you want to make a homemade corn dogs. Okay, you just do like this. Okay, make sure that it's really covered with your cornmeal. There we go. Twist it. Get as much as excess. Okay, there we go. And then we will drop this to our pan. There we go. Oh, it's not really hot, but no big deal. Well, I like to be really hot, but Just wait. I didn't check the temperature, guys. I apologize. Okay, so pull it slowly. Twist, twist. Get the access of the corn dog. The what do you call that? The batter. Okay. Now I'm gonna drop. Here we go. So it's a repeat. It's a repeat, guys. No big deal. Okay, it's really easy to make rather than buying at the store because it's pretty expensive nowadays. So I decided to make some pretty much everything, a lot of snacking stuff. Like my kids, they like me to make something, so I cook a lot. Okay, I'm gonna drop this one here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So that's how you make your corn dogs. As you can see, guys, it's really big because I made my batter like really thick. The second, we did use the what do you call that? Self-rising. So that's the reason why it make a big difference. Okay. We're done cooking our corn dogs. There we go. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye bye.